so today we're going to continue doing our addition. Okay? You guys got me? So, does anybody remember, raise your hand, if you know what we do when we add? Rich? Yep. When we add, we put them together, right? What do we do when we subtract?
Take it away.
Take it away. Yep. So plus put together, minus take away, right? Damien, what do we do when we add? Do we put together or do we take away?
Together.
Put together. Very good. All right. So we're gonna continue doing the dots, and so I'm gonna shake them up, and we're gonna figure out if we can add how many dots we have all together. Okay. All right. So. All right, Rich. What do we need to know to add them together? Do you remember the two things we need to know? Yes, how many red dots and how many yellow dots? So, Damien, how many red dots do you see? 3. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. So we have 3, and then Amelia, how many yellow dots do we have? You say it? 2. 1, 2. So when we're adding, we're taking the red dots and the yellow dots and putting them together. So that way, So, Ridge, how many dots altogether do we have? How many? 5. Very good. All right. So who remembers when we look at this number sentence? Who can remember what these two numbers are called? Well, no. So these two numbers are called the add-ons. Well, this is an equal sign. So these two numbers are the add-ons. Does anybody remember what this number is called?
The 5.
It's a 5. Yeah. Do you remember what it's called though? The sum. Sum. Can you say sum? Very good. All right. So when we look at this number sentence, who thinks they can read this number sentence?
I know.
You think you can? All right. Try to read me this number sentence.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Great job. You want to try to read it? Are we putting together or taking away?
Take it away.
No. Remember, because when we add, we put together. Right? So 3
minus plus 2
equals
5.
5. Very good. Here. Yeah, try it again. Hold on.
I want to say that.
Plus.
Plus
2. Hold on, buddy. Equals 5. Very good. All right, Ridge. In just a second, buddy.
3 plus 4.
Ooh. Slow down. Make sure you get it right. Plus 2 equals 5. Very good, guys. Very good.
Which is doing this fast?
Because he knows it. All right.
I know.
All right, Damien, you want a chance? All right, look. You got to shake them up and then dump them out, okay?
Can I try?
Yeah, we're all going to turn.
I can go back.
All right, dump them out. Good job. All right, so can you put them in order for me? Put them in a line?
Oh,
Yeah, don't flip them over. Here, look like this. Here, put that one down. All right. So, Damien, if we want to figure out how many dots we have all together, what's the first thing we need to know? How many?
How many yellow dots?
Great job. How many red dots do you have?
2.
2. Very good. How many yellow dots do you have?
3.
3. Awesome job. So when we put them together, because remember, when we add, we
Put together.
put together. How many do you have all together, Damien? Count all the dots together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job. Do you think you could read this number sentence? All right, let's try.
2 plus equals
Hold on, we gotta get this second number in there.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Great job. Ridge, you think you could read it, Damien's number sentence?
2 plus 3 equals
Great job.
2
Hold on, we gotta plus
plus
3
equals 5.
Great job, great job. All right, Ridge. let's see if you can figure out. So you're gonna put them in, shake them up, dump them out. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna add them together. And when we add together, what do, Amelia? We
Put them
put
together.
them together. Very good. All right, dump them out, Ridge. All right, put them in a line. Put up here. Yeah, there you go. All right. So when you look at that, Ridge, what's the first thing we need to know?
There's 3 red dots and 2 yellow
Correct.
dots.
Very good. So we need to know how many red dots and how many yellow dots, right? So how many red dots did you say you had? How many?
3.
3. Very good. How many yellow dots? 2. Very good. And so when we add or put them together, how many dots do you have total? 5. Very good. All right, Ridge. Read me that number sentence.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Great job. Amelia, give it a shot. 3. Oh, remember, we're putting together. So when we plus 2
2
equals
equals 5.
equals 5. Very good. All right, David.
3 plus 2 equals 5.
Great job, guys. Great job. All right, Amelia, it's your turn. All right, Rich, can you put them back in here for me? Yep, put them in there. That's right. All right, Amelia. Shake them up, shake them up. Dump them out. Great job. All right, so now put them here. Let's put them right here. Here. Put them all right here. Yep. All right, guys. Hey, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. All right. You got one more dot. Where's that? Cool. Alrighty. So, Amelia, what is the first thing we need to know when we're adding together?
1.
Well, we need to know how many red dots and how many yellow dots, right?
There's 1 yellow dot.
Oh, 1 yellow dot. All right. And how many red dots?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 red dots. So when we add or put them together, how many dots do we have? How many red and yellow? 4 plus 1.
Equals
Well, let's count.
1.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, we got
5.
5. Very good. Equals 5. Ridge, pay attention, buddy. All right. So let's see if we can read this number sentence, okay? 1 plus
Plus 4
equals
equals 5.
So 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right, guys. Ridge, read me that number sentence.
1 plus 4 equals 5.
1.
4 equals 5.
Great job, guys. All right. So who can remember? All right. So now we're gonna do a little bit of a review. Who can remember what it means to add? What do we do when we add?
to
Don't yell. Don't yell out, Damien. What do we do?
Together.
Put them together. Very good. So if we have a 3 and a 2 equals 5. If we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. Who remembers what these two numbers are called? What are
The minus equals.
Raise your hand. Nope. They're called the
Add-ons.
add-ons. Very good. Damien, turn around, buddy. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Say correctly. Very good. And who remembers what this one is?
So the minus
It's called
5
sum.
Sum.
Sum. So you what you're adding together are the add-ons, and what they equal is the sum. Yep. What they equal is the sum. Alright. So now let's do one. Oh, you know what? This one's going to be a little tricky.
Why?
Damien, can you sit down, please? Thank you, sir. Remember? Thank you. All right. So, Damien, if I have these dots and I want to add them together to figure out what I have, what's the first thing I need to know? Amelia, scoot back over this way. So I'm sorry. Yeah, scoot over this way. There you go, right there. Damien, pay attention, please. If I have these dots, what's the first thing I need to know if I want to add them together? How many red and how many
Yellow.
yellow? Very good. So how many yellows do you see? How many yellows dots are right here?
3.
3 yellow? All right, count me 3 yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many yellow dots?
5.
Damien, what color are these?
What? Yellow.
This is yellow?
No.
That's red, right? So there are 0 yellow dots. Ridge, sit down, please. Ridge, how many red dots are there? 5. Very good. So if I have 0 red dots or 0 yellow dots and 5 red dots and I put them together, Amelia, how many dots do I have all together? Count them. They're right here. You can count them.
There's 5.
5. Yeah, very good. All right. So who can read me this number sentence? All right, give it a shot.
0, 4, 5, 5.
Great job, Ridge.
0 plus 5 equals 5. 0
Plus
plus
5
5
equals
equals
5.
5.
All right, say it
2
one more
does
time.
2.
Okay. 0
0
plus
plus
5
5
equals.
equals 5.
Very good, guys. All right.
Let me do the numbers and then we can say the letters.
Yeah. All right, guys. So when we Ridge, can you sit up, please? Can you sit up, please? Thank you. All right. So just to reiterate, just to make sure you guys remember, what do we do when we add? Do we put together or take away?
Take it away. Put it together. Put it together.
We put them together. When we add, we take 2 numbers and put them together. When we subtract or minus, then we have these numbers and we have to take them away, right? But when we're adding, we're
Put it in your car.
putting together. Putting it. Damien, what do we do when we add? Get your fingers out of your mouth. Can't hear you. What do we do?
Once again.
Put it together. All right, great job, guys. All right, you may go get on Splash Learn Hippopotamus Blue.